mapley, herby, smoky. There's just so many beautiful things happening in this situation right here. 4 ingredients plus a handful of spices are all you need to make these totally legit vegan sausage crumbles. Throw them on a pizza, in pasta, or lasagna, or in sauces, or whatever the heck else you want. They're flavorful, protein rich, and so dang easy to make, you're gonna wanna eat them every day. Okay, maybe not every day, but like at least every week. If that all sounds fun to you, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below. It's free, and I just wanna help you live your happiest, plantiest life. I love high protein, plant-based recipes, and I love sharing them with you. So do that thing, and let's get into it. Okay, now what is the main ingredients to make these vegan sausage crumbles? So glad you asked. It is none other than TVP, aka textured vegetable protein. It's great. You rehydrate it and it plumps up to be like a ground beefy-ish meat alternative, and it's a flavor sponge, okay? I use it all the time. Speaking of flavor, we've got a vast cornucopia of spices and other things that we're gonna get into that's gonna make this taste great. First order of business is to rehydrate the TVP. All right, so here's the deal. You're gonna grab yourself a bigger bowl, all right? And we're gonna pour in the dry TVP. We've got a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, like I mentioned before. This is gonna add savoriness and umami good flavor. Plus all those spices. We've got black pepper, garlic and onion powder, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, and some red chili flakes. And then just give it all a good mixy, and you will be like immediately slapped in the face with sausage flavor. It's just a lot. It's wow. The Italian seasoning here does not mess around. Oh, okay, once that's all mixed, we're gonna pour over some hot water. So we're gonna add about 2 cups. Just pour it right over. Give it a little stir, and then just proceed to let it live its life for about 10 minutes. That's all it takes for most of, if not all of, the hot water to pretty much absorb into the TVP, and it'll look something like this. Plump, rehydrated, meaty, scrumptious. Now, let's cook it. All right, so we're just gonna get a saute pan heating up over like medium-ish heat, warm up a tablespoon or so of oil. And once it's hot, we're just gonna add in our liquid seasonings. I've got 3 tablespoons of a soy sauce, gluten-free, and some maple syrup. I've got a tablespoon here. Give that mixture a little stir. And once it starts to get all steamy, we're just gonna add in our TVP. We're just gonna keep it sauteing over medium-ish heat for probably 10 minutes or so until it really starts to dry up and it becomes less mushy and jiggly like this and more crumbly. And some other seasoning add-ins or swaps that you could make are like fennel seeds or some sage instead of like Italian seasoning. But it's very versatile. You can really do whatever you want. Now, another quick fun thing you could do while the sausage is sausaging is you could subscribe below right here. Yeah, it's free. And I just, I'm here for you. I want to serve you guys. I just love sharing healthy plant-based recipes. I post like 2 to 3 times a week. It's a lot of fun here, and I would just love for you to join the fam. And yeah, let's be friends. Oh, and you could like the video, while you're at it. That would be sweet. Thanks. A quick note on texture, okay? If you prefer a little bit drier, a little bit chewier, a little bit more crumbly, I would recommend you start with 1.5 cups of hot water, make the recipe, and go from there. It's kind of a you do you situation. Overall, I would say these are turning out quite nicely, and this is just perfect for so many recipes, including but not limited to my vegan sausage and egg breakfast casserole, which you can check out. It's in the description box below. You can put these on my lentil pizza crusts and make a sausagey pizza, also linked below, and any kind of pasta you love. These are so close to being done, and I just want to taste them right now. It is time to behold my vegan sausage crumbles made with TVP. Oh my gosh, you guys, like they're crumbly, they're jumbly, they're legit as can be. This smells just like a good Italian sausage crumble. I mean, this is a big chunk, but I mean, do you Do you see? Do you see what I see? Okay, people, tell me in a comment below, what are you gonna use these vegan sausage crumbles for? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you love high protein, plant-based deliciousness. I'm just here to help you live your happiest, plantiest life. Ta-ta! Mmm, sausage. Mmm. Mmm.